Bryce Rule?
He's not out there, Judge.
Okay.
He's not here at all.
I checked the pre-call services yesterday, and they had not heard from him either.
Okay, let me call this case. Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 000208, State versus Bryce Rule. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Eddie Garcia for Mr. Rule.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 9:46 a.m. The defendant did not answer docket. Deputy Lord, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. He is not out there.
Defense, any contact?
None whatsoever.
State? All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. Thank you.
In Judge Stephanie Boyd's court, time is of the essence. A defendant missed the call for a split second, and the result was an immediate arrest warrant. The lesson is clear. Respect starts with showing up on time.
All right, Christopher Gonzalez. All right, so in this case, where are we on discovery?
I believe I have discovery, Judge. I admittedly haven't fine-toothed that issue yet. Where we kind of are conferring-wise is he has 2 misdemeanor charges that have yet to be filed. My understanding is they're requesting that one of the cases get filed, which will allow for a disposition of all cases. In other words, we're going to try to work something out over there in exchange for this case being TIC or dismissed.
All right, and when is that going to be done?
That's for me that they had to go for brush by, but for this it was on myself
Y'all want to recall it in 3 weeks?
I'm okay with that.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset for disposition. All right, we'll be back on April 2nd.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Here we see the complexity of the American legal system. The defense attorney is trying to negotiate a global offer to resolve multiple charges at once. But Judge Boyd won't sign off until every piece of discovery is accounted for.
Alfred Andrade. Hi, come forward. Hi. Love when people say hello. All right. Let's see. All right, counsel, where are we on discovery?
We have everything, Judge. They've made me an offer. Both of us need to do a little bit more investigation. We're going to resolve this.
Okay. All right. Is 30 days enough time?
It is.
All right, Norma, I need a plea deadline date, 30 days.
April 13th.
April 13th? That's fine. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're excused.
You're there.
All right, thank you. You too.
In a rare moment, the judge pauses to thank a defendant for his attire. In court, dressing professionally reflects your respect for the bench, and it can leave a lasting positive impression on the proceedings.
Nigel Turner.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. So where are we on discovery?
We're just going to be missing a bone extraction. I have just now requested that from the detective, and we do need to be about a counter offer the ones that presented to us. The state would respectfully request 6 days just to get the bone extraction and get it over to the bones.
I don't know. You know what I don't understand? I don't understand why people indict cases and they don't have phone extractions. They don't have medical. They don't have records. I just wonder about that. When I was in the DA's office and I had to do my own intake, no case was indicted until I had all the discovery. All right, Norma, 45 days for discovery.
Judge, there also may be some DNA evidence they need to obtain as well, just so the court's aware of that. But we can work on that in the 45 days too.
And it was indicted for. Okay.
I'm sure they have the DNA, Judge. I just don't have it through the e-discovery, which now the system's changed as well, but through Axion. But
all right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you for your time.
All right, thank you.
This is the true face of justice. Judge Boyd strictly criticizes the prosecution for missing evidence, like DNA records. She believes a defendant shouldn't be left in limbo due to government delays. Delayed justice is denied justice.
All right, court is calling 2026 CR 001908, State versus Salvador Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Ray Lopez for the defense.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gonzalez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yeah.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 38 days in the Bexar County Jail on a 1244. There's an $800 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Proceed after state's exhibit 1 knowledge.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, I do.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just ask the court to follow the plea bargain agreement.
Right.
And waive state.
Who is Miss Dennis to you? Dennis.
Stems. Person who's in the car, something.
In the phone?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, this court is going to do. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 38 days in the Bexar County in the Bexar County Jail on a 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There is an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrent, and there is to be no contact with Dorothy Dennis. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
All right, we can go off the record. You're going to have to start making better choices. If you have a drug issue, there are plenty of places that can help you when you're released from the Bexar County Jail. If you can't find a place, come back here and I'll help you. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do we get this one in? The rejection one?
This is the moment that made Judge Boyd world famous. She doesn't just sentence, she offers a helping hand. After the verdict, she offered personal support if the defendant chose to fight his addiction. It reminds us that behind every case, there's a human being.
Sir, I just had about 4 conversations between the 3rd floor and here, looking people eye to eye, and nobody else knows. So,
You know what I say? That is like the person who has the bathroom tissue in their pants and they're walking around, or have spinach in their teeth and nobody says anything.
I will just refer to it was also all with XY chromosomes, which I got that. But it appears to be an enzyme hair, eyelid cyst, which according to AI should be removed by an ophthalmologist.
All right. Yeah,
I
you need
go
to get that
schedule- I
done.
need to go schedule an appointment.
Yeah, because you don't want to get an infection.
Yes. Given I'm already blind as a bat, I don't want that to degrade anything.
And look at me saving. Yeah, I'm over here saving lives before noon.
Call for ribs.
Daryl, do I need to call my sister about this?
Well, I just sent her the picture.
Just give me some tools. Get her out.
That might be an explanation.
All right, that will only happen. That only needs to happen during the zombie apocalypse. I mean, we're not at that stage yet.
The eyeballs, and that occurs.
I mean, it depends on the age of the eyeball. And is there some salt and pepper? I don't know.
Why you gotta go there? Why you gotta go there, Judge?
Hey, but I will text Deb, just so you know.
Good day to you. 187.
See, the reason why you stopped by is so I could save your life. See, Deputy Lord, that's what I'm talking about. People won't tell you things.
Oh, I'll tell you, Judge.
Yeah, thank you. If there's spinach in my teeth, let me
Listen,
know.
I will. If I notice something, I will make sure.
I do too.
Beyond the gavel, Judge Boyd is a person who deeply cares for her team. We see her joking with staff and offering medical advice. This chemistry is what makes her courtroom so unique. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into American law.